Understanding Your Canadian Credit Report, a comprehensive guide. Welcome to our comprehensive guide to demystifying your Canadian credit report. As a finance and debt expert, I'm here to explain the intricacies of credit reports from TransUnion and Equifax, as well as shed light on how popular mobile apps like Credit Karma and Borrowell can help you access and interpret your credit data. Let's dive right in. Understanding your credit report. Your credit report is a crucial financial document that provides insights into your credit history, payment habits, and overall creditworthiness. Both TransUnion and Equifax are major credit reporting agencies in Canada, and they compile information from a wide range of sources to compile your credit reports. Your credit report can and should include the following information. Personal information. This section contains your name, address, date of birth, and other identifying details. Make sure this information is accurate and up to date. Credit accounts. This section lists all your credit accounts, including credit cards, loans, mortgages, and lines of credit. It includes details such as the account type, credit limit, outstanding balance, and payment history. Payment history. This is a record of your payment behavior on each credit account. It indicates whether you've made payments on time, late, or if you've missed any payments. Credit inquiries. This section shows a list of companies or individuals who have accessed your credit report within a certain time frame. It's important to state that too many inquiries in a short period of time could negatively impact your credit score. So proceed with caution. Public records. This includes information about any bankruptcies, judgments, or other legal actions related to your credit history. How to read your credit score. Your credit report is accompanied by a credit score, which is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. A higher credit score indicates better credit health. In Canada, credit scores typically range from 300 to 900. Generally, a score above 650 is considered good. Using Credit Karma and Borrowell apps. Mobile apps like Credit Karma and Borrowell provide a convenient way to access your credit information and track your credit score. These apps use data from TransUnion and Equifax. Here's how they work. Credit Karma. This app offers free access to your TransUnion credit report and score. It provides insights into factors affecting your score and offers personalized recommendations to improve it. The Credit Karma interface is user-friendly, displaying your credit accounts, payment history, and more. Similar to Credit Karma, Borrowell offers free access to your Equifax credit report and score. It provides valuable information about your credit utilization, payment history, and account details. The Borrowell app also offers credit monitoring and alerts you if any significant changes occur. Differences between apps and printed reports. Apps like Credit Karma and Borrowell offer convenient access to credit data. There might be slight variations between the information presented in these apps and the printed reports directly from TransUnion and Equifax. Why such differences? It's because the apps often provide only summaries and interpretations of your credit information. For a comprehensive review, it's recommended to periodically request your full credit report directly from both TransUnion and Equifax. This will ensure you have a complete understanding of your credit history and any potential inconsistencies. The bottom line? Understanding your Canadian credit report is a vital aspect of maintaining good financial health. Whether you're reviewing your credit information through apps like Credit Karma and Borrowell or obtaining printed reports from TransUnion and Equifax, the insights you gain can empower you. The goal? To make informed financial decisions and work towards a stronger credit profile. Please try and stay proactive and engaged with your credit information to secure a brighter financial future. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please click on like and subscribe to be notified when our next videos drop. Thank you for your support. And please visit our website, www.debtdetoxadvisors.com for more financial info.